Lovelies. So today we're going to be inspired by this wavy brown and kind of auburn style colored wig right here. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. When I first saw her, I was like, ooh, she's a brown, but she definitely has an auburn kind of feeling to her, so kind of exciting. Let's just get talking about the color, the waves, the gorgeousness of it. So here she is. Look at that. I know she says brown, but she is definitely an auburn brown, and it is gorgeous. And what I really like about her, kind of just going with the roots right here, is that you can see really that kind of auburnness right here, kind of concentrated with the ombre, which I really love. And then it definitely kind of softens up and lightens up a tad at the bottom, really giving it some really great dimension. So she is 24 inches, and yeah, she's definitely long, curly, and she does have some layers right here all throughout, so she, I feel, will flow really nicely. She also is heat resistant as well, so if you do want to heat modify her in any way, go for it and have fun. So let's just talk about the actual construction. So she does have a light and kind of light medium lace right here, which is really nice. And then what's really nice, a little added bonus, she actually has a 3-inch parting right here, which is really fabulous, a little bit more than your standard Amazon wig. She does have 2 combs right here on the side, and then she has a comb right in the back right here. She has a medium-sized cap, so if you require a large head friendly wig, she would work for you. One thing I forgot to mention at the beginning of this video is that I did want to share with you how I created this makeup look right here. I actually did a review for this Amazon palette right here, this Beauty Glaze. I absolutely love it, and I used 3 colors for this. Always super impressed with this $17 palette. It's out of control. All right, so getting back into the wig, she does come with 2 wig caps right here. So as soon as she arrives, you're ready to go. But I'll be using a wig cap that I got from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. I really like these wig caps. And I put my wigs on front to back. Okay, so here she is. Look at these gorgeous waves and this gorgeously rich color as well. All right, so let's take a look at the hairline really quickly to see what we're working with. So she is, you know, plucked out a little bit, but definitely she would need a little bit more plucking if you want to make it look a little bit more natural, but not bad. All right, and then let's take our scissors right here and cut off the lace. Okay, so here she is. Now I'm gonna take my wig brush and lightly brush her out. So here she is, all brushed out. She is very soft and pretty luxurious, as you can see. So as for shedding, she did shed a little bit more than an average Amazon wig, but this wig is 150% density, so literally there's so much hair in this wig that you wouldn't even notice it at all. All right, so let's talk about kind of what's going on in the top right here. So I feel like she's kind of doing this kind of weird bump up right here, but from putting her on, I feel like versus shifting the wig cap, she probably really wants to be flipped around. So let's give her a flip and see how she does. All right, so here she is on this side. Not bad. I do feel like it's maybe not really working for me, this kind of flip. So let's flip it on the other side to see if she gives a different look. All right, I think we found the winner for this side to be flipped on. I do really like this. It just looks almost like a supermodel, just stepped out of the salon kind of look. Definitely digging this. I did forget to mention one extremely important detail in the beginning of this video is that I'm going to be giving this wig away to one very lucky viewer. So I need for you to put this emoji down below in the comments, and all the rules and regulation is down below for you to win this wig. I certainly feel this wig is kind of an auburn dream right here. So let me know if you have any wigs from this company. I would love to know and see you in your wigs. Or if you have a favorite auburn wig, again, let me know. I would love to see. So reach out to me on Instagram. That is a great way for you to send me pictures of you being as amazing as you can possibly be. Because remember, It is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. And if you feel fabulous in this Auburn Dream wig, wear it. Wear it, love it, and own it. I want to thank you, and we will see you soon. Bye.